All right, so let's talk service area. Service area is a very important piece to your local SEO plan. It's a piece, especially for service area businesses, for businesses that want to target outside of their city and location that their business might be in, especially service area. Service area, we see that to where a lot of them are in smaller towns and they want to be able to hit a wider area. So, service area is right here inside of the platform. When you click on service area, and you can choose to do it by state. You can choose it by county. You can choose to do it by zip code. You can do it by city. You can also do all of the United States. All of the United States, I don't think does anything. But I recommend doing by county for most service areas because service areas, it's all about how much you can touch somebody. So, like right here, if I look and focus everywhere, might not work. So I have United States in there, and it pop up everything. So I'll probably break it, and it probably won't work because the United States is where we cover for Simply Be Found. We cover everywhere, but we're located in Windsor, Colorado. So we want to be able to make sure we hit our target market. So we put in those cities, we put in those counties, and we put in the states. You get 20 of them. Think about how can I serve my area for the area that I actually serve, and I'm trying to target people to be able to find my business. This is the area I want to be able to target. So if you have a really popular area that you definitely want to make sure you hit, put the city in. If you want to cover just the widest range, put a county in. If you want to cover your whole entire state, do that. But I can tell you that inside a state, once you start getting bigger out there, like state and United States by country, you're going to lose a lot of effect. If you stay with cities, zip codes, or counties, I notice better results across the platform from all the members that we're tracking and knowing what people are doing or not. So, if you're a service area business, if you're a business that wants to be able to target outside of your business, use the Simply Be Found service area. It'll allow you to broaden your horizons and get out to people to be able to find your business. Think about this as a way for us to tell all of the different platforms and all the networks this is where this business is serving. This is where they want to be able to find customers. It allows our algorithm also to know exactly what is happening in your business and where you are able to work. So think about that as you build your profile. And if you're using Google Direct, you can do some of these things as well. We do it across all the platforms by using the service area. So again, check us out, simplybefound.com, where we make it simple for you to do your own marketing and give you the tools to be able to do it in 5 to 10 minutes per day.